Welcome to Money Gainers Hub, the channel where smart money moves become simple. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or leveling up your income game, you're in the right place. Here, we break down complex money strategies into easy step-by-step guides. So grab your notebook, get focused, and let's unlock your next financial breakthrough starting right now. Consider the possibility of earning money while you rest. This is not merely a dream, it's the reality for affiliate marketers daily. You aren't required to develop a product. There's no need for customer service. A large following isn't essential. You only need to master the art of connecting the right products with the appropriate audience. And today, I'll guide you through the process. This is your practical, step-by-step roadmap for starting a legitimate affiliate marketing venture in this year, right from the ground up. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Fundamentally, affiliate marketing involves earning a commission for recommending products or services. Let's simplify it. A company produces a product, they permit you to promote it. You receive a unique tracking link, and if a customer clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage. Your earnings could include $3 for a book, $30 for an online course, or even $300+ for software subscriptions. It's mutually beneficial. The company secures sales. The consumer gains value. You earn money. Why it's ideal for newcomers. No need for creating products, no inventory to manage, no shipping hassles, and zero upfront cost. Thanks to automation, it's one of the best ways to establish passive income online. Produce a video today. It can be viewed next year. A viewer buys through your link, and you still receive payment. Affiliate marketing grows over time and requires persistence. Step 1. Select your niche. Your niche defines the specific topic or audience you will concentrate on. Successful niches for affiliate marketing include personal finance, health and wellness, technology and gadgets, education and online courses, lifestyle and productivity. Tips for selecting a niche: passion plus profit. Choose a topic you enjoy and ensure there are products with reasonable commissions. Avoid broad categories. Focus on a niche. Instead of fitness, opt for home workouts for busy moms. Step 2. Discover affiliate programs. After defining your niche, begin searching for products or services to promote. Noteworthy affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, lower commission, high trust. ClickBank, ideal for digital products. You can also type your niche plus affiliate program into Google to find standalone offers. Best Budgeting Apps Affiliate Program. Digital Planner Affiliate Commission. Step 3. Produce valuable contents such as how-to videos, product reviews, tutorials, comparison articles, list of resources, free templates or checklists. Ensure your affiliate link fits seamlessly within your content. Always provide a clear call to action. Step 4. Where to share your links. You can promote your affiliate links on various platforms, provided you adhere to their guidelines. Best platforms include YouTube, TikTok or Instagram Reels, blogs or niche websites, email newsletters, Facebook groups with prior approval. Pro tip: create an email list. This is the most reliable platform as you have control over it. Step 5. Accelerate traffic by using search engine optimization, SEO, Pinterest shares, YouTube search. Social media methods for paid traffic include Facebook advertisements, Google search advertisements, YouTube ads. Begin with organic traffic to minimize costs. Concentrate on searching for keywords relevant to your audience. Step 6. Monitor your performance with link shorteners, measure click-through rates, Google Analytics, identify which content attracts traffic, affiliate dashboards, track clicks, sales, and commissions. If a certain product shows promising results, focus on it. Create more content around it. This is how you scale. Step 7. Cultivate trust and stay compliant. Be open with your audience. Always disclose affiliate links, like, I might earn a small commission. Only endorse what you genuinely believe in. Foster a reputation as someone who helps rather than sells. This will cultivate long-term trust and more sales over time. Step 8. Repeat, reinforce, expand. Produce more content. Experiment with new products. Look into higher ticket items. Eventually you can Develop multiple affiliate websites, outsource content production, and create your own products. If you maintain consistency, affiliate marketing can transform into a full-time endeavor. In summary, select one niche, choose 1-3 affiliate programs, develop one piece of content each week. After 90 days, evaluate your results. Retain what's effective, enhance what isn't. If you found this video beneficial, subscribe and download your free Affiliate Marketing Starter Kit below, which includes a niche selector, content checklist, and program list to accelerate your earnings.